Imran, and the President, General Mohammad Ziaul-Haq, the Governor of Sindh and the President of the BCCP, the Governor of the Punjab, President shaking hands with the Pakistan players, no doubt saying bad luck, it's a part of the game, which it is. Mehrdad. No doubt words of encouragement, part of the game. Australia, on their day, the better side, no doubt at all about it, Inti, today.
Quite right, Omar.
And I think no praise high enough for them. They were making their first appearance in Pakistan. They've adjusted so quickly and put on a perfectly, thoroughly professional show. Now the President giving away the prizes and the awards. Waiting for the award ceremonies. The news, of course, not cheerful for Pakistan. They lost by 18 runs. Cheerful for Australia. They're into the finals. A very good match. Disappointing, no doubt, but good fight put up by Pakistan, but better on the day. And that's what counts in the one-day game. Boone. Some of the Australian players. Kader. Congratulating the Australians, a very fine gesture from Kader. The match has been played in a very, very good spirit indeed.
That's quite right.
And that is what really counts. Border and Kader.
The Reliance Man of the Match award goes to Ian McDermott.
Man of the match. President shaking hands with the Australian team and looking very, very pleased with themselves. And so they should. Something of an upset, this win. And that's the technical manager. See, that's the job you used to do for the Pakistan team.
Yeah, well, he's done well.
He's done very well.
Done a pretty good job for Australians. I don't think many people gave chance to Australians to reach the final.
No, they were not fancied at all. So the ceremonies are over. Now these are the dismissals.
I was very happy with 267, yeah. It was a very competitive score and very, very hard to chase.
How do you look forward now to the final?
Well, we're absolutely ecstatic. There wasn't too many people who gave us much of a chance of, even getting to this far. But to make the final, it's like a dream come true for all the players, and we're going to be very hard to beat in that final.
Who would you prefer to play in the final, Alan? India or England?
Well, it's a very difficult one because they're two fantastic sides, but I think as far as crowd support and everything goes, it'd probably be easier to play England in Calcutta than play India. So probably a slight leaning towards England.
Well, all the very best for your next encounter, which would be the final of the Reliance World Cup.
Thank you very much.
David, you've had a very fine
Salim talking to
the Reliance World Cup as an opening batsman for Australia. He's got 62 runs today. What are your impressions of your batting in this cup played here today?
Well, Jeff Marsh and I as openers, we just try and be as positive as we can. And, if there's a loose ball there, we try and hit it for four, and other than that, just work ones and twos and be as positive as we can. And just over here, we both played quite well and very confident at the moment. So hopefully things will keep going into the final.
This was your first encounter against Pakistani bowlers?
No, I played a couple of times before, but the first time in a World Cup. Yeah.
First time in a World Cup. How was the wicket?
The wicket was superb. I think it's credit to everyone here in Lahore. It's had something to do with it. The wicket was excellent for batting. The outfield was very good, fast. You know, everything was great for one-day cricket.
How would you feel like playing in the finals now?
I think the same as Alan said before. I think all the guys are wrapped. It's a bit of a dream for us, especially seeing that you know, we've been to club cricketers and that. So we've done very well to get through as far as we have, I think.
I think you've done splendidly.